In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop for project management in 2025. We're going to walk through the various steps to help you set up and manage your projects efficiently using this innovative platform. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to loop.microsoft.com. This is your landing page for initiating the entire process. Once there, you'll need to sign in using your Microsoft 365 account. This could be a work, school, or personal account, so use the one that's most relevant for your project management needs. Once signed in, look for the Workspaces section. Click on it and you will see an option to create new workspace. It's important to create a workspace because this will act as your project hub. Here you'll want to name your workspace appropriately, perhaps something like website redesign or marketing launch Q3 depending on your focus. Now let's talk about organization within your workspace. To keep everything neat and effective, use pages to break down your project into different sections. This is crucial because it will give structure to your workflows and make navigation easier for both you and your team. Start with the project overview page. This acts as the bird's eye view of what you're aiming to achieve. Follow that with a goals and milestones page. Having clear documented goals will guide your project and motivate your team. Next, include a weekly updates page. This is important to ensure everyone stays informed about ongoing developments and any adjustments that may be needed. For additional resources, a page dedicated to resources and files will be incredibly useful. You can store all the essential documents and files that people might need easy access to. Don't forget to add a section for meeting notes. This will keep all your important discussions documented and accessible for future reference. Now, one of the most powerful features of Microsoft Loop is its dynamic components. These are synced across Teams, Outlook, Word, and more, ensuring that everyone stays aligned no matter where they're accessing the information. You'll want to make use of task lists for tracking deliverables. This keeps everyone clear on what's expected and who's responsible. Additionally, leverage progress trackers to monitor the status of your project. This ensures you're on track or helps identify where things might be slipping. Finally, use tables for assignments and due dates. They offer a clear overview of who is responsible for what and when each task is due, helping to maintain accountability across the team. In summary, Microsoft Loop provides a comprehensive framework for managing projects effectively by combining structure with flexibility. By following these steps, you can set up a workspace that not only organizes your projects, but also enhances collaboration among team members. Now you're ready to harness the full potential of Microsoft Loop for your project management needs.